Fire rescue workers spent 2 hours on the river attempting to save a dog Thursday morning, March 15th. The effort was unsuccessful despite help from the County of Strathcona airboat and crew. Rotten spring ice created plenty of problems for emergency workers. The City of Fort Saskatchewan rescue boat could not be launched because of the ice still surrounding the boat launch area, and the firefighters had to paddle a kayak instead. As a result, it was an hour before rescuers reached the dog, and it then proved impossible to haul the large, struggling animal out of the water before it was swept down the river and under the ice. The Strathcona airboat was not on the river until 10:30 a.m., and the dog was gone by the time it arrived on the scene. The search by the fast airboat was not successful.